Hey guys, just got back from the flea market. Just going to show you what I got real quick. Well, we'll start off with the Vise. This is definitely going to take some cleaning, but I'm going to try to refurbish this. Get all that rust off and all that gunk off there and repaint it. And put some new life into it. I'll try to make a video showing that process. Made in USA. I don't know if there's a brand name on it yet. I haven't even looked. Has a number on there. Number 550. And yeah, it's hard to read. V97. But I don't see an actual maker's mark. But anyway, that'll be a fun project. Another rusty hammerhead here. It has some writing on it. And I'm not really sure what it says there. Looks like it says the framer or something like that. I gotta clean that up and see what it says. Another de-rusting project. I'll put this in a bath of vinegar and leave it in there for a couple of days and get that rust off there. And I took a chance on these $1 a piece, these pot holders, kind of ornate, kind of have a nice look to them. So I took a chance on those. $1 a piece. Oh, by the way, yeah, this was $1, and that was $4 for the Vise. And then I got this interesting old valve tool. That's going to go in the rust bath as well. And then I got another hammer. This had an interesting look to it. Another fixer-upper. And got some keys. Oh, those were $1 a piece. The keys were 25 cents for the keys. I'll use those in a steampunk project. And I found this 25 cents for this, looks like a 60s necklace. And I'll incorporate that with some of my steampunk projects. Okay, that was it. See ya.